It's Hardcore Crypto here, and this video we're taking a good look at Cardano. Now, Cardano is at a very critical level right here, a very huge major support for Cardano. And now, what we should be asking ourselves, right? Oh my goodness, for like 5 days on the row, Cardano has been on the red. So now we could see Cardano is at the verge of retesting this. If I should take all this away to avoid all forms of distraction, we could see right here that if we move to the 4 hours time frame for a clearer view, we could see that Cardano has dumped to a major support on the Fibonacci level, which is at 0.708. Very good, and you could see a very nice reaction from this level. But the fact that we reacted positively to this level right here, to this support level right here, we still had an obstacle around here, which I pointed out right here with this rectangular line right here. I pointed it out right here that we have a huge resistance right here. So we have retested this resistance and we're about dumping lower. So there's a possibility that we could dump below 0.707 and get a retest there and dump all the way down to 0.674. so for now I would say 0.674 is actually where we should be expecting Cardano to find major support, because if you look back you could see that this level has served as a very good resistance and support for us. I think over the weekly, I guess it's on the weekly. I'm not that sure, but yep, over the daily, I think it's the daily. Over on the daily, yeah, this level has kind of served as a very good support for us. I think if I should adjust this to this level right here, you could see that there's a possibility that we could dump into this level, find support, and maybe rally much higher. So for now, I would say that this is what we should be expecting. If there is any reason why we'll be dumping lower than 0.674, I'll definitely be here to give each and every one of us updated on that. Now, in terms of the market, we could see that Bitcoin is currently struggling. It's bounced, it got to this level and recovered very well, but it seems like there is a lot of pressure, or there's a lot of sell pressure in the market, which is why Bitcoin is not reacting positively after the confirmation candle, which happens to be the green candle. So it's either we expect any of these moves right here, and if we happen to break below this 112,700, it's going to be very it's going to be very like ugly in the market for altcoins. So we should definitely be on the lookout for any of these levels that we're going to be breaking out. If we're going to be running to the upside, for we're going to be breaking that major support on Bitcoin. And in terms of the stock market, we could see right here that in terms of the stock market, we are kind of dumping, and over like $1.1 trillion we are being liquidated in the stock market. So as you can see, there's a possibility that we will dump really low to this level. I think, is there any support around here? I think so, yes. Let me make that possible. So now there's a possibility that since we broke out of this level right here, there's a possibility that we could dump all the way down here within this range right here. Worst case scenario, we could dump all the way to $6,035 or $37, then find major support and keep on rallying to the upside for S&P 500. So if that is going to happen, definitely we're still going to see the altcoins bleeding more, which is the reason why we could see Cardano even dumping as low as 0.673. So you should definitely be on the lookout for this right here. So if you do enjoy this video, do well to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful weekend and happy new month once again. Peace out.